NETGEAR is introducing the AV line. The M4250 switches target the 1G AV over IP market. Let's check out the user interface that is now dedicated to AV. Of course, these switches ship with the standard IT, web interface, CLI, all that as usual. But see, adding 8080 after the switch IP address, you can log into the new AV UI. The good information for AV system installers only, including the fan management for quiet mode or for fanless operation. But let's go to the point. Let's say today we have a customer and he needs to deploy 4 Dante audio over IP dongles and 4 video encode-decode units, and he wants to connect this switch back to a network for a proper multicast across the network. First thing, we are going to select the relevant template that is pre-configured for all these applications. Let's select the audio Dante template, select the 4 first ports, for instance, give it a name. That will be my Dante primary. Let's select a VLAN ID. Let's say that the VLAN 20 is for Dante. Pick up a color for convenience, and you're done. Because the profile was already pre-configured for Dante with the correct MDNS, DSCP, QoS, IGMP, PTP, all those settings that are requirement for Audinate, it was in there for you already. You have 4 green ports for Dante in the VLAN 20. Second half of the mission, let's say we have 4 AMX, video encode-decode units. Find the video dedicated profile, select it, select the 4 next ports, give it a name, for instance AMX. We don't want to merge all the video packets with the audio packets. Let's create a dedicated VLAN 10 for it, pick up a light blue color, for instance, and save it. Mission achieved, because now you have 4 blue ports that are correctly provisioned for video over IP with the correct IGMP snooping, query, fast leave, everything ready to go for video and encode-decode units. Now let's configure the uplink. That's what traditionally is hard, right? So we know that the 4250 switches, they come with fiber ports on the right-hand side, traditionally uplinks, either 1G or 10G. Let's say that we want to aggregate those 2 10G fiber uplinks on the right-hand side. Go to link aggregation, create a link aggregation group, select your 2 fiber ports, give it a name. This is my lag, a lag ID, doesn't really matter. The configured profile is the native profile. Let's say that we will use the management VLAN, but by activating the trunk port, we mean that all the profiles that are configured on the switch will go in and out intact through that uplink. Save it. And now you're ready to connect this switch using the 2 fiber uplinks that are grouped, because you just made sure with the trunk that your AMX video profile and VLAN and Dante audio profile and VLAN will be carried over this link aggregation. And if you're lucky enough, if you have other M4250 NETGEAR switches or M43 or M4500s Pro AV switches on the other hand, thanks to the IGMP Plus automated multicast solution, automatically your multicast will flow from one switch to the other without flooding as if it was a single switch. Well, thank you for watching.